Greetings, health nuts! I don't mean to start off by scaring everyone, but were you aware that there are an estimated 44 million people worldwide living with Alzheimer's disease? This includes around 5.5 million in the US alone. Alzheimer's disease is a brain disease that slowly destroys your memory as well as your ability to think. While we can go forever about factors that contribute to Alzheimer's, there are also suspected ways to prevent it. In this video, we'll be discussing foods that help prevent Alzheimer's disease. From leafy green vegetables to nuts, berries, and beans. We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Green vegetables. This may not be the most entertaining way to start the list, but it may be the most important. If you're not already into salad, you may be after hearing this. Various studies have shown that eating your leafy green vegetables can help you combat Alzheimer's disease. Leafy greens also help slow your body's aging process, helping you look and feel younger. Seniors who consume around a cup and a half a day show a lower risk of developing dementia. In fact, a steady diet of greens has been linked to a lower level of cognitive decline, primarily among those of older age. A study conducted over the course of 5 years followed 960 people consuming a diet consisting primarily of leafy greens. We're talking about foods like kale, spinach, and raw lettuce, the yummy stuff. By the end of the study, subjects who ate the highest amount of leafy greens were shown to be around 11 years younger in brain age. So if a history of Alzheimer's in your family has you concerned, you may want to consider leafy greens as a way to prevent it. Number 2. Berries. If munching on kale every day of the week doesn't quite appeal to you, berries are a great alternative. Seriously, just the pleasure of going berry picking on a warm summer afternoon should be enough motivation. Of course, you folks in your early 20s aren't going to be too into that. Blueberries in particular are considered the best fruit to consume due to their high level of nutrients and antioxidants. As the years go by, your body goes through oxidative DNA damage. This is what causes you to get older. The antioxidants in blueberries work to slow down the work of free radicals, helping you age slower. Much like the effects of leafy greens on those who eat them, blueberries lower your risk of cognitive decline at an earlier age. One study conducted over a 20-year time span focused on 16,000 older adults. Those who ate large amounts of blueberries showed fewer signs of dementia and Alzheimer's. Another study saw a massive impact when subjects mixed blueberries with apple juice. Oxidative damage ended up being reduced by 20%. We also need to add strawberries into that conversation. Lucky you. Everybody loves strawberries. Well, at least I do. Strawberries are another great source of antioxidants that help fight against cognitive decline. A study published in 2019 focused on elderly patients. Out of the 925 who participated, 235 developed Alzheimer's. Researchers linked high strawberry intake to the reduced risk of cognitive decline. So, grab a basket and go pick some berries. If you want to bypass all the hard work, just head over to the grocery store. Picking some berries might be fun though. Just ask your granddad. Number 3. Wine. Now, hear me out for a second. I'm not asking you to run out to the liquor store right away. It's not exactly certain just yet. Research has shown that a tiny amount of wine may be good for fighting Alzheimer's. This means the next time you see that old bottle being passed around at Christmas, don't hesitate to pour yourself a glass. While it's only been tested on mice, there's significant evidence indicating that 2.5 glasses of red wine can lead to less inflammation in the brain. So, if you happen to be a beer guy, now might be the time to switch over to wine. Don't drink alcohol? Well, we've got plenty of alternatives right around the corner. Number 4. Beans. Let's face it, if you're not eating beans, what is wrong with you? They're packed with amazing health benefits, not to mention they go to work against Alzheimer's disease. Okay, we get it. Beans might not be everybody's favorite food, but seriously, they're plenty to be excited about if you ever start eating them. Beans are a terrific source of antioxidants known as polyphenols, which are great against free radicals that cause aging. As if that's not enough to be excited about, beans are also an essential part of something called a MIND diet. I guess it's time we brought that up. The MIND diet is a group of foods that help increase the health of your brain. It also includes berries, along with several foods you'll soon see in this video. Researchers put together this amazing diet during a 2015 study on the link between food and cognitive decline. The impact against Alzheimer's isn't the only reason to eat beans. You should also keep in mind that they're low in carbohydrates and high in protein. This means that if you're looking to get in shape, beans might be the right choice for you. Before we continue, are you concerned with your overall health? Perhaps you should check up 11 early warning signs of heart disease that men shouldn't ignore. Also, if you're fixated on dieting, here's a story that will surely give you a second thought about fast food. Check out our terrifying story of a boy who went blind after eating French fries. Now, back to our list of foods that can help you fight Alzheimer's disease. Number 5. Fish. This is something you may have heard. Consuming fish on a regular basis can help protect your brain. But did you know that fish serves as a powerful weapon when it comes to battling Alzheimer's? Fish is another crucial member of the MIND diet. Experts suggest that you should eat at least one per week. Of course, eating it more than once won't hurt. They just want to make sure you're getting at least a small intake once every 7 days. Fish carries a certain omega-3 fatty acid called DHA. This is short for docosahexaenoic acid. DHA helps to support brain function as well as decrease inflammation in the body. It can also improve your thought process. It's mainly found in oily fish such as salmon and anchovies. Researchers have found lower levels of DHA in Alzheimer's patients than those with a healthy brain. In 2012, a study was done on 260 healthy men and women. None of them showed any signs of Alzheimer's. They were asked to fill out a questionnaire detailing their diets. Most stated that they consumed fish between 1 to 4 times per week. While more studies need to be conducted, I think it's safe to place fish on your shopping list. Number 6. Nuts. Want a simple food to eat on the go? Nuts are among the best choices. Not only are they easily accessible, they're also highly beneficial to the functioning of your brain. Nuts are a terrific source of nutrients. Did you know that just an ounce contains around 12% of your daily vitamin E intake? Depending on the nut, you can be a receiver of a higher concentration of antioxidants. For example, studies show that the antioxidants in walnuts pack a greater punch than fish when it comes to fighting free radicals. So if you're in a hurry and don't have the time to sit and cook yourself a brain-friendly meal, grab some mixed nuts to bring along with you. You're bound to have a can laying around somewhere in the house. Oh, you're allergic? Well, have no fear. Check out our next pick. Number 7. Olive oil. I know this isn't a conventional alternative to nuts. Unless you're a routine cooker, olive oil may not be located in your grocery list. But don't wait to make spaghetti. Try olive oil as soon as possible. It has many health benefits. While its appearance might suggest otherwise, olive oil contains a great deal of nutrients. Another staple of the MIND diet. Its various antioxidants go to work against Alzheimer's by stopping the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques inside your brain cells. One study conducted in 2017 showed that extra virgin olive oil prevents inflammation of the brain. It can also trigger and activate a process called autophagy. This is when your brain cells clear out toxins and harmful debris. A study back in 2017 was conducted on mice who were given tiny bits of virgin olive oil. It was found that they had higher levels of autophagy as well as a reduced level of beta-amyloid plaques plaque buildup. So plan a few more fancy dinners for you and that significant other. You want to put that olive oil to good use. Are any of these foods already part of your diet? Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.